So we forgot to pin these on Friday, and we relied on the double-sided sticky tape, and this is what we were faced with when we got here this morning. So Merlan is just refitting everything. It was a trial run the first time. We're doing it for real this time. Would you?
Yes.
Very kindly give me a hand, old chap.
Yeah. It's a huge baby.
So great. Okay, so it's all the way on there. That's it. Ouch. Fingers. 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 Lighter now.
Yes.
Now there's no glass in there. That's it. Okay. Lovely. Thank you. Great success.
Five years only.
Oh, I thought it was 9 years.
No, 5.
Well, that all makes a difference. Right, I'll move this back out of the way then. Ça va?
Try again.
Left-handed.
Okay.
Third time's the
Yes,
charm.
Martin Lucky.
There you go. At least
So I was doing
the efforts.
that.
Okay.
I'm on. Okay.
Got to go up a bit there, is it?
Yes, a lot.
And then
For me.
okay. might need a jemmy bar to actually get this to move.
Yes, it's here.
Go in nice and high so we don't kick those packers. Alright?
Yes.
Oh, well, yeah, there's that. Just, could you hold that? When I was a kid.
Yes. Yes, also for this afternoon.
La 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 la. La la. It's funny, I was literally there we are. Right, you guys, you're probably wondering, what are we doing here? Well, laying in bed last night, I realised that if we were to install that door onto this piece of timber, it would have left a little strip of brick exposed on both sides, which basically would have meant that we were cold bridge. So, you know, doing all of this insulation everywhere would be for naught because you would just allow the heat to escape around the door. So we decided this morning to install another timber. And now Merlan is chopping out the 18mm required. So we will have our coconut matting here, and that will just sit on top of that. So all of this will all be covered up by something you can wipe your feet with, basically. Scrape it up afterwards. And right.
Oh yes.
Take it. Just a little bit gappy McGapperson there. Here we go. First time lucky? No. Do I have to drill them myself? C'est bizarre. Okay, I'm out of your way again.
I can?
Stand up.
I can? Yeah?
A little bit more.